Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ellen here. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because it's not going to be about makeup. It is a haul, however, so you'll have probably guessed from the thumbnail and from the title of the video, obviously. But today is going to be a Primark haul video. So I went to Primark yesterday because I went to Meadowhall because I've had a day off. And I went to Meadowhall and I just thought, by the way, for those of you that don't know, Meadowhall is just a shopping centre in Sheffield, which is like close by. It's about a 20-minute drive from where I am. So I went to Meadowhall just to get myself out of the house, with Daniel being away with work kind of thing, and went into Primark just to have a bit of a look around, and obviously found a few things that I ended up purchasing. So today is just a haul video to show you everything that I got in Primark. Obviously I will insert clips of me trying the items on as well. There's no particular theme with what I purchased, like I just kind of saw some things that I liked and I bought them. Okay, I won't lie, most of it is like gym related stuff, but there are a few other bits in there as well. So let's get started. So the first thing that I purchased were these. These are obviously for the gym, so these are cycling shorts and they're sort of like a steel grey. I don't know if you can see. Like a steel grey, and they've got like detailing like along the waistband on the back here where it's like ribbed, and they've got the same detailing at the bottom of them as well, which is right there, and then also around the top of the booty area too. So that is literally what they look like. I've been wanting some cycling shorts for a while for the gym. Like I might not wear them yet, I don't know if it's too cold still, I'll see. But especially for in the summer, I just think shorts are really good, and especially on leg days so you can really see all those muscles working basically. So I picked those up. I got these in a size extra small, so that is a 6 to an 8, and I absolutely love those. They've got like a little bit of give in them, but when I tried them on they looked like really nice. The material's quite thick as well, which I thought was pretty good. They do have 3 different top versions to go with this. They have like a sports bra, a fitted top and a loose top, which I did really like all three. Well, say all three. I preferred the sports bra and the fitted top to the loose top, but they didn't have any of those in my size. They only had those in a medium up, so I only got the shorts basically. But they were my first purchase, so I'm excited to try those out at the gym. So these are what the cycling shorts look like on. They are like just a steel grey, but that is what they look like on. They are super comfy. I feel like they're really nice and fitted and like figure hugging as well. Nice and stretchy, so like, you know, you can definitely work out in them. I feel like they make my butt look kind of cute as well. Let's have a look. What will they be like for pictures and stuff? Pretty cute. I'm not going to complain about those. I'm just going to make sure they are squat proof as well. I don't know if you'll be able to see this from the camera. I feel like you can't actually see like that I'm squatting because I can't get the camera any lower than it actually is at the moment. Really, really like these. I'm super excited to wear these. Next I bought this sports bra, which I absolutely love, and I saw this and I thought, well, number one, I really like camo print at the moment, so clearly, I think this is from Primark as well actually. I really like camo print at the moment, so I thought I'd pick that up, plus I thought that might look nice together. I'll see, I don't know yet. But I just thought this is feels so thick and supportive, you know, for Primark. So I feel like when I first started doing gym things ages ago, I did get a set from them, and I'm not gonna lie, the leggings are see-through when you squat, and the sports bra is not supportive whatsoever. So I'd not really bought anything else since, but when I went in yesterday, I did have a look at the gym stuff, and they just seem such better quality now. Like, I mean, the cycling shorts, they feel really nice and thick, and this feels really nice and thick and really supportive, so I thought I'd pick that up. So I'm excited to use that at the gym. It does have like the padding in there, but I'm pretty sure you should be able to take that out somehow. Usually there's like a little cut, yeah, that's there, look. So there's a little cut out right there, so if you do want, you can take the padding out. I tend to keep it in just for like a little bit of extra support, but that's personal preference. But this is what the sports bra looks like. I really like how it is a little bit lower here, like it's got this part here. So I feel like some sports bras just literally end like right there, and sometimes I like it, but sometimes I want ones that are a little bit longer as well. I'm really liking the fit, like it's really comfortable, it's not too tight but it's still nice and supportive. Obviously I've got small boobs anyway, so I don't know what it'd be like on someone with bigger boobs, but you could always try it on. If it's not for you, then you don't have to buy it. I really like the pattern as well and the colour. I like how like the straps like sort of like split out, if you get what I mean. Like if you can see, I quite like that. I think that's a really nice detail. And then this is what the back of it is looking like as well, so it's quite nice like how it like crosses and stuff like that. I feel like it just looks really nice. Don't wear it under sun though because you might get some really weird tan lines. But yeah, I think that looks really, really cute. It's really, like I said, it's really comfortable as well. So that is lovely. Super excited to wear that for the gym. Next thing I bought was basically all my hoodies for the gym are, I don't have any zip up ones, they're all just like, you just chuck them on. And also they all tend to be cropped. I wanted something that isn't. So when I saw this, they do this in two colours by the way. They do it in this one that I've got here, which is like a stone grey kind of colour, and they also do it in black as well. Just ignore the bin runner like here, so you can hear that in the background, which is brilliant. Yeah, so they do it in this like stonish grey colour, and then they also do it in a black as well. This is, I think, supposed to be like a cropped tight fitting jacket, but I got this in a large basically because I wanted it to be nice and baggy. I was thinking about getting a medium at first, but they didn't have any mediums in stock, so I was like, oh what the hell, I'll just get a large. And I do really like it. It is so soft. I cannot get over how soft this feels. Like seriously, it's got a nice big hood as well, which I like. And then I quite like the little, you can see I've not worn them yet because all the tags are still on them, but I really like the zip with the little ring detailing. Like it's really nice inside and really soft as well. So that is that. I just thought that would be really nice for the gym just to chuck on like when I'm going or when I'm leaving or whatever. And this is what the jacket looks like on. So I quite like how like baggy it is. Obviously, like I said, I went for the large instead because I wanted something a little bit baggy. I didn't want it to be super tight fitting. So this is what this looks like on. So I just zip it up, and I quite like, I said, how it's like a little D-ring instead of like just a normal zip. I think that's pretty cute. So that's what that looks like on. It's obviously got your little drawstrings there. But yeah, this is super soft by the way. I'll just show you what it's like with a nice hood up as well. I feel like the hood is like nice and like big, so I really like that. Just zip this up as well, just so you can get the feel for what it's like. So this is what it looks like on basically, and I cannot get over how soft this hoodie is. Like it's just so cute, absolutely loving it. Like I said, my problem is that all my hoodies for the gym don't zip up, they're just like a chuck on over, and they're like all like really cropped, like they literally come up to like there. So I'm like, but I want my stomach covered a little bit, so I'm like a little bit warmer just as I'm getting in and out of the gym basically. So basically this is what this looks like. It's super comfy as well, not even just for the gym, just for any time. Like it's just really nice and comfortable. The next thing, oh, these I'm so excited for. I mean, they're nothing like amazing fashion wise, but I just wanted some nice joggers, you know, just to like lounge about in around the house kind of thing. And I found these. One thing I love is they do have pockets, which is brilliant. But these are really, really nice. They're just like almost creamish grey kind of colour. They're really, really soft. They've got the cuff ankle at the bottom as well, which I personally really like. I don't really like things that are too baggy around the ankle. They are really nice. These, I mean, I've not really been telling you the size of everything, I don't think. But the sports bra is an extra small, and I told you the size of the others. These I had to get in a 2XS, which is a 4 to 6, and you'll see when I try them on, but these are not a 4 to 6, can't possibly be a 4 to 6 because they're a little bit baggy on me. Like they fit fine as long as I like tighten them up and tie them, but if you are planning on buying some of these, I would just go like one size down to what you usually would wear, just because, you know, and this is a smaller size they did as well. They are made a little bit bigger and baggier, but they are super cute. These are the joggers that I bought as well, so this is what they look like. They are super, super comfortable, nice and baggy, Obviously they're not going to make my bum look brilliant because, I mean, they don't make it look too bad, but obviously they are like a baggy jogger. Like I said, like a cuffed ankle as well around the bottom, if you can see that, which I quite like, 'cause it makes them look like a little bit more, I don't know, because they're still nice and baggy, but sort of like tapering more towards your ankles, which I quite like. Obviously you've got like the drawstring here, so you can tighten it up. So this is what I meant, by the way, guys, like this is a 2XS, which is a 4 to 6, and like they just want to fall down. Like they have got quite a lot of, that's without actually using the elastic in it, that's just naturally what they're like. If I use the elastic, like they're quite baggy, so just get a smaller size in these. Obviously, like I said, on me, this was the smallest size I have. On me, they're fine if I just tie them. I do kind of like that they're a bit looser as well, and then they've got the pockets as well, which I do really like. It's nice just to have pockets to put your hands in to keep you nice and warm. But I think the joggers are really nice. They're probably going to get dirty really easy because they're such light, like a light colour, but really liking the joggers, basically. Next thing I got, that's all of the gym stuff done, by the way. The gym stuff is gone, but now I only have 3 things, is why I said most of it is gym related, to be fair. So the next thing is just a plain t-shirt. It's just this nice mustard t-shirt. It's one that's quite big and baggy and boxy, which I thought was really cute. Just to wear, like, well, you could wear it outside jeans, you could tuck it in, you could tighten a little knot or something. And then they've just got the like roll-up sleeve detailing there, which I think is quite nice. This is my favourite kind of colour to wear, I am not going to lie. I absolutely love colours like this. What size is this? This is an extra small as well. So they are made baggy already, because this is, like I said, an extra small, and it is quite baggy on me, so I thought that was super cute. So this is what the top looks like on. Obviously it's nice and big and baggy, which is nice as well to say it's an extra small. Obviously if you wanted it bigger and baggy, you could just go a size up. It is quite creased at the moment because I've literally just taken it out of the bag, so obviously I'll need to iron this before I actually wear it. But I quite like how boxy it is. I like that the sleeves aren't like up here, like, well, not the short sleeves that are up here, like the quite nice and baggy. But yeah, you could wear it outside of jeans like this, or you could tuck it in like with a nice belt kind of thing, leaving it like a little bit baggy like that around the front, or you could like tie it in a knot, so you could do it to the side if I can do this. And I'm doing like the little knot, sometimes I like to do it to the side, like that, which I think looks nice and cute sometimes. So we could do it to the side like this, or sometimes I like to do it like in the front instead. It's obviously personal preference, but I feel like I lack just like nice t-shirts that aren't necessarily cropped, and that's what I like about things like this, because you don't have to have it cropped, but if you do want it cropped, you can, like, you know, tie it in a little knot. You can like tuck it under if you really want to. I tend to not do that though, because I feel like it looks a bit weird, so I tend to just like leave the little knot out. But yeah, it's just like a really, really nice little t-shirt there. That's nice and cute. Okay, next is some jeans, which I'm super excited for. I don't really have any jeans this kind of colour. I have like lighter and darker washes, like more ashy colours, but nothing that's like a proper blue denim, so I thought I'd give them a go. One thing I also do like about them as well is all of my, I can't even get this in the shot, all of my jeans that I own are like skinny legged, and these are more straight legged, so I thought that had been quite nice. And then they've got like the raw hem as well on the bottoms around the ankles, which I thought was pretty cute. But yeah, that's basically what they look like. I got these in a size 8. I think that was the smallest size they had in stock, to be fair, but they fit really, really well. I'll probably just wear a belt with them. And these were £15, like I cannot believe these were £15. The fabric, like the denim, is super thick. It's really, really nice. Like it doesn't feel cheap whatsoever, and I just think like Topshop sell their jeans for like what, £42 or something like that. £15. You cannot go wrong, guys. Can't go wrong. So these are what the jeans are looking like on. Quite nice, obviously they're clearly high-waisted, just come right underneath my belly button. Probably pull them up though if you really wanted to, but I'm not overly fussed if I'm completely honest. So they are more straight leg, like I said. You can't see the bottom of them, so I'm going to have to lift my leg up. They are more straight leg with that raw hem detailing. But yeah, this is what they look like. They do have a bit of give on the waist. Like I said, they didn't have anything smaller than a size 8 in stock. So I'll probably just wear a belt, although they do hold up okay, to be fair. I feel like they make my butt look okay, to be fair. Like, it doesn't look too bad. I've not got the biggest butt in the world, but I am working on that. I'm trying to do my squats at the gym. Do you know what? I can squat quite a lot to say I've not got a big butt as well, but basically that's what the jeans are looking like on. Last thing is accessory. So I saw this, okay, I saw loads of really cute bags, like clutch bags, and I was trying to be like, no, you don't need any clutch bags, don't buy any bags. But I could not resist when I saw this one. I just thought this was really, really nice. It's going to look super cute in like summer, like on holiday with like a nice white summer dress kind of thing. I just thought it was really, really nice. Obviously it's like a clear bag. I'll take it out so you can see. So you can wear them obviously together or keep them separate, whichever. So you've got a really nice clear bag with obviously the mint green trim around the edge and the silver chain. And it also comes with the mint green like matching sort of purse thing, which is a bit like, I don't know if you can see, but it's like that crocodile skin kind of look. And it's quite big as well, it can fit quite a few things in there, it's like a decent size. So yeah, you could use that on its own, that on its own, or wear them, like use them together. Just put it back in so you can see what I mean. Like, I just think it looks really cute together as well, so I'm excited to be able to use that. Probably, like I said, more in the spring and summer than in winter, but I thought that was really nice. But basically, that is everything I bought in Primark. I know it wasn't a massive haul. I got 7 things, so I know it's not a massive haul, but trust me, there was a lot more that I did like in there that I could have bought, but I was like, no, don't spend any more money. But yeah, so I hope you liked this video. I know it's a bit of a different one to what I usually do. Let me know in the comment section Let me know in the comments section down below if you want to see more videos like this, more haul videos, whether that be with makeup or with clothes or whatever it's with. Just let me know if you do like these kinds of videos. I absolutely love seeing people's haul videos to see what they've bought, whether it's like makeup or clothes or whatever. I absolutely love watching them, especially if I know I can pick up a bargain, because like, I mean, this bag, this was £6. £6, and it's stunning. But yeah, I absolutely love Primark. I don't get when people, do you know, like when girls, well anyone really, when people like put a picture on and they're wearing something, whether it's like bag, shoes, dress, whatever it is, someone comments and they're like, oh, I really like your outfit, where's it from? And they just ignore them. And it's like, hun, we know it's from Primark, just tell us. I don't get that. Like, I'll be the first one to say, if someone's like, oh, I like your top, I'm like, oh, Primark, it was £3, quick, go and get it, bargain. Like, I don't get this whole secretiveness about shopping in Primark. I absolutely love Primark personally. I think you can get so many good like things from there for such a low price. Like, I know years and years ago the quality of the products weren't brilliant, but I think they've improved so much and they've just got so many choices, especially the Meadowhall store as well. It is huge. I absolutely love it in there. But yeah, I just think Primark is such a good shop for like low quality, low price but good quality like fashion. But I absolutely love Primark. Let me know if you like any of the things that I bought, if you're planning on going to Primark to pick them up yourselves, and what kind of things do you like to get from Primark? Do you go for generally everything, or do you just like the pyjamas or the accessories, or what do you like from Primark basically? Let me know in the comment section again down below if you do like these kinds of videos and if you want me to do more of them. And also let me know what you want to see in the future on my channel. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you click the subscription box down below, and also the little bell as well, so you get notifications every single time that I post. But I'm gonna love you and leave you guys, so thank you so much for watching, and I really do hope you enjoyed the video and liked seeing everything that I purchased from Primark. Bye guys!